Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the upcoming iOS 13. Now we are less than a month away from the first beta of iOS 13, and there have been a lot of reports and rumors and also leaks regarding the features that are coming to iOS 13. So here are 5 of the biggest features and changes that we know are coming to iOS 13. Starting off with the volume hood. For a lot of years now, a lot of users have requested from Apple to change the volume hood. Now it has been the same for a lot of years. It is really not functional. It takes a lot of space on your screen, and whether you're gaming or watching a video, whatever you're doing, that will take a ton of space on the screen, and it's really not necessary having that volume hood on iOS. Finally, the reports say that Apple will change that with iOS 13. Of course, on iOS 13, Apple will focus more on changes on design and that stuff, so hopefully that will also change. So the rumors and reports claim that there will be a new volume hood. Hopefully it will be smaller, and maybe even we can customize, like change like its size or maybe its position on the screen, so that we get what we want and not have that volume hood interrupting us all the time in the middle of the screen. Another feature requested for a long time now is the dark mode. So with iOS 11 and now iOS 12, we have that smart invert, which is kind of like a dark mode, but not really a true dark mode. Apple doesn't call it a dark mode, but it's a step on the right direction. And now the reports say that Apple is finally bringing the dark mode on iOS 13. Hopefully that will be included on the first beta or even on the first public release of iOS 13, because from previous experiences, features like big features that Apple introduces on iOS 13 with the first beta, then they just basically remove them and they release them later on. For example, let's say like iOS 13.1 or 13.2. So we will have to wait and see when Apple will release it, but the reports say that that's a confirmed feature for iOS 13, so you can expect dark mode to come to iOS 13. We also have a ton of reports regarding redesigns of the apps, so you can expect apps like Reminders, Files, and also Find Friends and Find My iPhone will be basically one app. So you will have Find Friends and Find My iPhone all in one app together. So that will be, of course, a totally new app on iOS. Probably it will also have another name. Then you can also expect the Files app to have more feature and also a small redesign, and also there will be other stock apps of iOS that will be redesigned, including the Reminders. On iOS, you probably know that there is a feature that you can shake your iPhone to undo a text or anything that you do on your iPhone. Now with iOS 13, the reports say that there will be new gestures that will allow you to do that. So you can go ahead and just tap with 3 fingers on the keyboard area and slide left or slide right to undo or redo your action. Right now, the reports say that that will be a feature of iPad. Hopefully it will also come to the iPhone, but the reports say that that will be only a feature for the iPad. So let's see what Apple will do with that. That should be on the iPhone as well. It would be really helpful. And last but not least is, of course, the home screen redesign. I know a lot of people will be excited for that. We had basically the same design for a few years now. Now with iOS 13, Apple will of course focus more on the redesign of iOS, and we should see some redesign stuff on the home screen, hopefully on the control center or even within the apps, hopefully the settings app or all the camera app and all the stock apps that we use the most. So we basically have the same apps for a lot of years now. Hopefully iOS 13 will make a change, and as reports say, there will be a redesign of the home screen. Let's hope Apple will take that action through all its apps and just have a fresh new look on iOS. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 5 major features that you can expect to come to iOS 13. Basically, all these features have been reconfirmed by a lot of rumors, reports, and leaks for iOS 13. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.